Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Identity theft has always been a major fear for anyone online.
And now? Well, AI is totally changing the game for these criminals.
Let's talk about a new threat researchers have uncovered called OpenClaw. It's like a digital skeleton key, giving hackers the power to mimic and steal your identity.
And get this, researchers found a truly staggering number of these tools already exposed online.
Yeah, that's over 40,000 potential hacking armies ready to go, aimed at people just like you.
So how does this thing actually work? Well, it's frighteningly efficient.
It rapidly harvests data, analyzes your patterns, mimics you, and then launches automated attacks.
And we're not talking about one hacker. This is thousands of attempts every single second.
Okay, this threat is real and growing. But the good news? You are not powerless.
Protecting your digital self really starts with a few key but crucial steps.
So, the old threat was slow and manual. This new AI threat is automated and works at machine speed.
Remember, in this age of AI, your digital identity is one of your most valuable assets.
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert.
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.